I got this drill grinder or universal grinder for really cheap. So cheap that I couldn't not buy it. It's really dirty, but I don't think it has been used much at all. I thought it was, or I didn't think about it when I bought it, but it is 3-phase, so that's a little bit annoying. I have 3-phase here, but it's much easier with a machine that's just 1-phase. Anyway, I think I'll need to clean it a little bit and then we'll see if it works and how everything looks. It has some slides down there and maybe they need a little bit of TLC. You can look at the label on it now. So there it is, Universal Drill Grinder 32A from Farman Machinery Industrial Co. Limited in Taiwan. This thing is covered in some kind of oil or something. First I tried Red Spirit. Kind of worked, but it took a long time. Tried White Spirits. No, didn't work much. Then I figured, well, okay, we'll use this floor washing liquid I have. Obviously it's not strawberry jam, but it's 50% diluted. And it's made by Wirt. This stuff here, Wirt Sabesto Super X Clean. Water-based. Works really well on this stuff here. I'll show you. It's really filthy some places. I'll just do a demo underneath here. You can see how dirty it is. I'll just rub a little bit with a little toothbrush. You see. Works really well. Oiling cup. Wonder if that has been used ever, probably not. I'll continue cleaning. I spent a while cleaning and it's starting to look a little bit better, but I haven't really gone at the parts that are steel or I've just mainly been cleaning the painted parts. I haven't been moving the slides much because I said earlier, doesn't seem to be much oiling going on. So I'll try to move this slide here and we'll look underneath. I just have to make sure I don't run into anything here. The wheel is pretty close to the shaft. Okay. There's a slight amount of oil there. There's a little bit of scoring, a little bit of the usual scraping or angle grinding, whichever method they used. I'll try to, the cross slide screw looks kind of okay. It means clean and full of grease or something. Yeah. I'll see if I can move the slide a little bit further without running into anything here and try to clean it. Cleaned it as best as I could. There's lots of grit in here. I suppose these two screws were for a way cover or some sort. Definitely needs it. So all the slides needs to come apart to be cleaned. Yeah, I'll try to clean all the parts I can get to without dismantling first, and then we'll see about dismantling things. I think this is as far as I can go with the cleaning. before I remove any parts. So we'll see if we can get the dovetails slides apart. And I would like to get the shock apart too. So I took apart the slides, cleaned everything, cleaned the ball screws. There's very little wear on that upper slide that had the covers on both sides. And as we saw before we took it apart, there's a little bit of wear here, just even less here, very little. And on the front here, this part of the slide has never been used. Back here I can still see the scraping, so I'll consider it okay for now. It has been scraped, better than a lot of stuff I've seen from China. The gibs are scraped too, so I'll put it together and then I'll get to work on the shock. So drill grinder didn't come with a shock key, so I had to make a new one. Nothing special really. And I have started taking apart the shock. The grease feels okay, at least some of it, but it looks really dirty in here. Some of it has some grit in it, but the jaws were almost stuck. They're really dry, so they're crusty. I suppose we need to take the rest of the shock apart here. Shock seems pretty tight for a Taiwanese maybe. Auto Strong SE4. I don't know. Let's see if we can get the gear out. If it's possible at all. I got the shock apart and I cleaned it up. It seems like a nicely made shock. I suppose it's made in Taiwan, like the grinder itself. It has some nice features, and everything has been deburred down the bottom here. It has been relieved both on that side and that side, maybe better with a screwdriver. So relief there and there. Difficult to see probably. I think the inside has been ground here. I don't know here, that's difficult to feel. There's two grease ports on it, one there and one there. There is one of the ports comes in on the back side on the scroll, and the other one comes out. Yeah, it's down there, and it greases the front side. So these gears and this gear. Yeah, everything, the jaws are ground on all the necessary faces. So I think it looks nice. It was very tight. So now I'm going to assemble it. I don't have any dry grease, but I suppose if I use the grease ports on the shock as necessary, it should work fine. I don't know if it doesn't seem like it has been greased at all since it left the factory. So I got the scroll back in. This shock is tight. Yeah. I'll find the start of the scroll here. Is that it? No. Or maybe it was. No. It's coming up here on the one now. Everything is so tight. Oh, that didn't work. Guess to back up some more. Maybe there. I think we got it there. Okay, we got number 2. And number 3. Number 4. I just look down here to see if I got it something close to even. Yeah, I guess it's alright. Only grease is squeezing out because it's so tight in there, but anyway, cleaner than it was. So we got it plugged in for the first time, and we got the shock remounted, and we'll see what happens when we turn the switch here. Always want to put on air muffs when you do something like this, don't you? Okay, nothing happened. It's good. Okay, that's released. We'll see. See, rotation here. You stop it. Going the wrong way. Let's really see that. I think it's going the wrong way. Yeah, it's going the wrong way. So I guess that just must reverse some wires. So switch the faces around, and now we'll see. See, it's supposed to go down, of course. Yep, that's it. need to move in out a little bit. It is quite a bit of center. I'll zoom in a little bit here so you can see. There! Try to use more of the side there, different side of the wheel. Now we're grinding both fluids at least. I haven't adjusted anything really here now, so it's just very rough test run. Here's how it looks. There's way too little relief, probably because I didn't adjust anything. But the grind looks nice. There's still a little bit left of the ship or the point tinning I did before, but still, it works. I adjusted the machine a little bit. I think I got a nice grind now. The usable clearance angle. I tried to take a picture more close up and did it at the end of the video. I think I'm happy with the machine.